Are you tired of diets that drain your wallet and energy, with 95% of them failing to deliver results? What if you could lose serious weight without spending a dime, and instead boost your immune system and transform your health in just a few days? Today, I'm revealing the most powerful secret to successful weight loss: intermittent fasting. This easy, free method is a game changer, saving you money and giving you more time and energy. Let's dive into the science behind it and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. But before we dive in, let's get one thing clear. Intermittent fasting isn't some new trendy diet, and it's definitely not about depriving yourself. It's more about giving your body a break from eating so it can focus on burning fat, improving your health, and doing all sorts of amazing things. Ready to see how it works? Cool, let's get started. What is intermittent fasting, and why should you care? First things first. Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, it's about when you eat. Instead of spreading your meals throughout the day, you pick a time window to eat and fast for the rest of it. The idea is to let your body take a break from constant digestion and let it focus on other tasks, like burning stored fat for energy. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, it kind of is. But here's where the magic happens. When you're not constantly eating, your body starts to tap into its fat stores for energy, which can help with weight loss. Plus, during fasting, your insulin levels drop, which signals your body to burn fat. Pretty cool, huh? Why intermittent fasting is a game changer. Here's what makes intermittent fasting so powerful. Every time you eat, whether it's a big meal or just a snack, you're spiking your insulin levels. And insulin is basically the hormone that tells your body to store fat. The more often you eat, the more insulin you produce, and the harder it is for your body to burn fat. By fasting, you're reducing the number of times insulin gets triggered throughout the day, which gives your body the green light to start burning fat. And get this, fasting isn't just great for shedding pounds, it can also help you live longer, improve your mood, sharpen your focus, and reduce your risk for diseases like diabetes and cancer. Whoa! But of course, it's not all unicorns and rainbows. You'll probably lose weight faster than you expected, which means, you guessed it, new clothes. A nice problem to have, right? The different fasting methods you can try. Okay, so how do you actually do this intermittent fasting thing? There are a few popular methods, and you can pick one that fits your lifestyle. Let's break it down. The 16-8 method. This is probably the most common. You fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. So for example, you eat your first meal at noon and your last by 8 p.m. That gives you 16 hours of fasting magic overnight and in the morning. The 5-2 method. Here's how this works. You eat normally for 5 days of the week, and for 2 non-consecutive days, you eat only 500 to 600 calories. It's kind of like sprinkling in a couple of mini fasts. The OMAD, 1 meal a day. If you're feeling bold and want some serious weight loss, this one might be for you. With OMAD, you only eat 1 big meal a day, and that's it. You'll fast for 23 hours, then have 1 nutrient-packed meal. It's not for everyone, but if you're into challenging yourself, it can really turbocharge your results. Alternate day fasting. This one's simple. You fast every other day. On your fasting days, you stick to water, tea, or coffee, and on your eating days, you go back to regular meals. It can be tough, but people swear by it for big weight loss and health benefits. How to get started with intermittent fasting. Now, before you jump headfirst into fasting, let's ease into it, like dipping your toes in a pool before diving in. You don't need to go straight to hardcore fasting. In fact, it's better if you don't. Step 1. Start by cutting out snacks. If you're used to eating 3 meals and snacking in between, the first step is to cut out those snacks. This alone will give your body a break between meals and start to reduce the constant insulin spikes. Now, if you are serious about taking your health journey to the next level, why not join our tribe by hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out? Okay, let's continue. Step 2. Skip breakfast if you're ready. After getting comfortable with no snacking, the next move is to try skipping breakfast. I know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Well, not really. If you're not hungry in the morning, just don't eat. Let your body ride the wave of fasting until lunch. Step 3. Stick to 2 meals a day. Once you've dropped breakfast, aim for just 2 meals a day, maybe lunch and dinner. Try to keep those meals within a 6 to 8 hour window. This way you're fasting for the remaining 16 to 18 hours, which is when the fat-burning magic happens. Foods that make fasting easier. Let's make sure those meals you're eating are helping you, not hurting you. What you eat during your eating window is just as important as when you eat. To keep your blood sugar stable and avoid hunger, try loading up on healthy fats, fiber, and proteins. Here are a few tips to make fasting easier. Eat more healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, macadamia, and pecans are great, and olive oil can help you feel fuller longer. Load up on fiber. Start your meals with a big salad, full of veggies and olive oil. The fiber helps stabilize blood sugar, and the olive oil adds some healthy fat to keep you satisfied. Use apple cider vinegar. This one's a secret weapon. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar before meals can help lower blood sugar and keep insulin in check. Plus, it's great for digestion. When you're ready for the next level, OMAD. If you're really serious about dropping pounds and you've been comfortably doing 2 meals a day, you might want to try OMAD, 1 meal a day. This is where things get exciting. By compressing your eating into a single meal, you're fasting for 23 hours straight. You'll want to make sure that one meal is nutrient-packed. Think lots of veggies, good fats, and proteins. You probably won't eat the same amount of calories as you would in 2 meals. But here's the kicker. It's not really about calorie reduction. It's about giving your body the maximum fasting time to burn fat, repair cells, and boost your metabolism. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout your fasting window. You can also have tea, coffee, without sugar or cream, or even bone broth if you're feeling extra hungry. Exercise during your fast. Exercising while fasting can actually increase fat burning because your body is already in fat burning mode. Just don't overdo it, especially when you're starting out. Sleep like a baby. A big bonus of fasting is improved sleep quality, but you can take it a step further by finishing your meal earlier in the day, around 2 or 3 p.m. This can help your body wind down for sleep, and better sleep means more fat-burning hormones like growth hormone. Wrap up and get started today. If you've been thinking about trying intermittent fasting, now is the time to jump in. Start slow, ease into it, and listen to your body. The benefits go far beyond just weight loss. It can improve your focus, boost your energy, and might even help you live longer. So what are you waiting for? Give intermittent fasting a shot and see how it can transform your health and life. You've got this. And don't forget to subscribe.